Hi, from MWC 2026. We are showing another demo on AI testing, and this time it's all about bringing the digital twin to the lab. We are integrating the channel emulation capabilities of the Rohde Schwarz SMW200A vector signal generator with the NVIDIA Sionna Research Kit. Now, I have Sebastian Kammerer from NVIDIA here with me today. Sebastian, tell us more about this integration.
Yes, sure, Andreas. So we're running a fully software-defined 5G base station on this DGX Spark. And in this case, we want to test an AI-enhanced link adaptation algorithm under realistic conditions. And to do that, we have a digital twinning solution. So we are using the Sionna ray tracer to simulate the realistic RF propagation in this 3D environment. So in this case, it's the Mobile World Congress area, and we let the user walk around a predefined trajectory. And then we can upload these channel impulse responses to the Rohde & Schwarz equipment and test our algorithm under realistic conditions as if we are in the simulated environment.
Perfect. Thank you, Sebastian. So again, it's all about bringing the digital twin to the lab for AI testing.